Introductory things. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's time to distinguish templates from styles and from components, because there's usually a misunderstanding if we want to be precise, and Fowl has this misunderstanding. So let me emphasize this point.
Okay, with Times New Roman or Arial. I don't know which font it's using, but
Another inaccuracy. None. The answer is none. This template is using no font at all, no font family. Why? Because the font type and font size is not a property of the template. It's a property of the HTML component that is linking the style registry member from the styling registry. The style will say use this font, this size, and so on. So every single component, in this case there's only one, but if you have more, at least in the item you will have two, each HTML component is linking a style registry member. So the template, you could say perhaps that the template applies the font family and size because of its components. That means that if the template only has image, which could be true, you can only have images if you want to, for instance, the image occlusion, there's no text. Therefore, there's no font. It's a big detail to remember this. You don't link styling to templates. You link styling to components, and the components are tied with the template. Yep, that's all for now. See you in the next video.